vaporizer.
It's an infinite vaporizer.
Oh shit! I see.
His homie's gone.
What happened?
Trying to work here.
What did I do?
Trying to work.
Oh man. Top of the morning. We're back. We're here. Getting to it on a Wednesday. I'm here with my fellow scholars. CV dying from allergies. Dooley playing Clash of Clans. I mean, my fault. Excuse me. Clash Royale.
Is it he or she?
It's he.
It says retard, so I don't know.
Alright. Grover is his name.
Grover.
And it's red. Don't discriminate. Alright? Do not discriminate against red people. So, at any rate.
I thought you did that. Oh no, that's expansion.
Open the door for Sam.
W Sam.
There she is.
Who's that? That's not Sam. Sam don't got 30.
No? Got a haircut. Cool.
W Sam.
Just in time for our lab today. I was looking when you make
With a new hairdo.
And you can make up the trainer and chew gum at the same time. Okay. Now, when I was first teaching this class, shut up. When I was first teaching this class, I used to just like go down there and just like, all right, let's go do it. And that rapidly was apparently the wrong thing to do, okay? Because nobody really could figure out how to use the machine. So what we're gonna do, folks, is since we studied this stuff that was inside, what do we call this stuff inside the air conditioning system?
Refrigerants.
And it's kind of special, right? And some of them are very harmful. Okay? So for that reason, and we're going to learn more when we get to our certification day, which is probably going to be something like, I don't know, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. Okay? We're going to learn more about why we have this machine. But for now, all you need to know is that this machine handles refrigerant. Okay, this machine handles refrigerant, all right? We don't just vent it to the air. We need to take it out of the system, okay? We need to process it in some way, filter it in some way, and then we need to put it in a controlled fashion back into the system, along with doing some other things for AC service. So this is how I start out with service. We're going to start by learning how to handle the refrigerant, specifically using a refrigerant recycling machine, which is right here. That's what those gauges are for, right? But for right now, we're going to focus on this other part of it, which is the display. Okay, and that's kind of the gateway to learning how to use this thing. All right, there's another close-up of the display over here on page whatever, on page 9. Okay, on page 9. All right, now I'm going to zoom in on this guy. Somebody just asked me. On the sheet that you have in front of you, the tag sheet, recycle refrigerant. What we got to do, folks, is we got to dissect what's happening here on our machine and learn how to use this thing. And we're going to have some volunteers come up and run it for us. Okay? First, what you're looking at is a digital display, LCD, folks, not touchscreen. So don't try to poke you. Okay? It's an LCD display, and it's listing. What do you think it's listing, folks? What are all these different items here? Functions. Different functions of the machine. Okay? We are going to learn, I'm going to focus on 3 in particular. This is number 1. I'm going to fill this out. I'm going to upgrade this. We're going to focus on 3 in particular, and I'm going to write them on the board. Okay? So if this is handling refrigerant, folks, it means that this machine is capable of connecting up to our system, right? And removing refrigerant through these hoses.
All right. For number 1, that's the answer for number 1.
I haven't given it to you yet. So, the 3 functions that we're going to focus on, of the 3 ones, the first one that we're going to focus on is the function that means take the refrigerant out. So which function, Mahmood, which function do you think means take the refrigerant out? Recover. There you go. There's our first of 3 functions. Recover. means you can write that down. Take the refrigerator out. That's it. Take out the refrigerator. Now, who's my first volunteer? Sean, you came in late. You're gonna be my volunteer. All right?
You're gonna use the machine.
You're gonna use the machine, and then I'll just don't worry, you'll be all right. Okay? You'll be all right. You're gonna use the machine.
Take out the refrigerator.
Which button you want to use? If we're gonna move the cursor this way, I think I set your cursor on the same place, right? Setup. Which button do you think we're gonna use? All right.
W.
Go ahead, try that.
Press the left.
All right, stop. Now, what does it say there? What did you? Okay, so the cursor was on setup, and you press which button? Okay, you press the left button. And what does it say right now? Okay, it says something about a setup menu. Oh. So what did we end up actually doing? We did not end up actually moving the cursor. We ended up doing something else. Here's the point. On this screen, these keys have both hard and soft functions. What's the difference between a hard function and a soft function? Well, let's say which one would be set.
It has
forever?
to do the hard one.
A hard function. Or a hard key. A hard key has a function that doesn't change. Now, in reality, all of the function of these keys can change no matter what screen you're on, depending on what screen you're on. But on this screen, we have two hard functions, 2 hard keys, and 2 soft functions. All right? For this screen in particular, the up and down arrows are the hard keys. And guess what they do? Guess what they do to the cursor? How they move the cursor? They move it up and down. So what I want you to do now, Sean, what you're going to do is you're going to apply your quick connect fit. You're going to pull back on the cowl because it won't go on just like that. You got to pull it. I hold it like this. Just on the ball, I pull it back like that, and you're going to slide it on. They only go on one way. Remember where our low side is. Yep, pull back, and it has to be going on very, very straight. Okay, now let me see how that works. Out. Wow, bro, I don't think I've ever had anyone do it right the first time. Okay, good. Now. You're gonna go now. I don't know. You're gonna get lots of time.
Get your
Come
grade,
on.
man.
So what I want you to do, what I want you to do, you're gonna have to stand back in the middle. Actually, I'm gonna do something real quick. To accentuate this. Just give me a second. Go lunch early. We got work.
Oh God.
All right, that's good. Okay, so what I want you to do right now, okay, is you're going to turn that shut-off valve on. Guys, look, we're going to look at this setup. What side is he on, the high-pressure side or the low-pressure side?
Low
Side.
pressure.
So which gauge are we going to look at, the low-pressure side or the high-pressure? The low-pressure. So he's going to twist that valve a little bit, and he's going to watch this gauge. I want you to twist that valve open and watch the gauge. And when this gauge comes to life, you're going to stop, and then I'm going to tell you what else to do. Keep going. Right there. Keep going. Watch the valve. Watch the gauge. Watch the gauge. Keep going. All right, no, you can't. Keep going.
Yeah, tight
Go.
shit.
There you go. You see that? Gauge coming up. Now, give it about another half turn. Oh, see that? It came up more. Give it about another half turn. All right, half turn. A little bit more. All right, that's it. Okay? You only need to get pressure on the gauge and then just open it up just a little bit more. I don't want y'all working on these Jaguars, Mercedes, the way that, and you accidentally force that valve through. Just be gentle. All right? Yeah, I know that on this trainer I can go all the way down with these, but you may have a car that has one that's not fully in or been janked with or something like that, and you end up, I have seen this happen, folks, it will get pushed right through the threads, and you will ruin that entire line. Okay? So, what we notice now, what's our pressure on the low side gauge here? Mahmood? 70 psi, you're reading the outward pressure, okay? And what's the pressure on the gauge on the trainer? So what do? They match. And that means expectation, right? We form an expectation. We're gonna open this up. All right, great. That's good. Good job. Okay, next up. Okay. Ariana. She says she wanted to go to lunch. She's gonna come on. So let's see what
Want me to
what's
draw a
up.
stupid
What you
thing
gotta
on
do is you're
the
gonna pull back on the
machine,
car.
man.
You're
Come
gonna
on.
apply it to the high side. There it is. You hear it click?
Yeah.
Same drill. Open it up. Watch the gauge. Excellent technique. Confident. I like it. Excellent. See. All right. Cool. Now give it about another half turn. That's it. That's it. That's it. Excellent. All right. What up? Come on, quick,
W's in the chat.
Financial lead.
Quick. Come on. All right. Get your buddies up and come back online. All right. We got about 13 minutes, folks. We got to push a little bit. All right, now. All right. Ready? Yeah.
You gotta understand it. You gotta understand what happened.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's okay?
Yo, this is like.
Uh-oh. Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn.
Stop. I'm thinking, whole time. Jesus. Last time he killed me. He killed me.
Never really recovered.
He missed. I was
Go
only
ahead,
looking
hit
like
okay.
this.
Yo, can we keep it down in the background, please?
Oh, yeah, he did that. Oh.
Yeah, you want to sharpen? Yeah, you want
But he did
to
it.
I was confused what happened.
Because I was going now. Before you hit hard, you want to crank this over.
Snatch
Yeah,
that?
it was more like I'm
Not you.
Oh, so you snapped it?
One of them gotta get cut.
You heard that?
Yo, one day, we gonna be on that, bro. One day.
We gonna be what? Is it working? It ain't even working.
Alright, you're gonna hit start. Now, a couple of things are gonna happen. What's your expectation about the pressure of the gauge as you hit start? And what's your expectation everything's working right about the temperature of the vent air? Should be on, should be on. So let's go ahead and hit start. Now you're gonna immediately look down here and check to see if your compressor is operating. Look down there, that's your
Is your that full, bro? No, actually. Is it for real cold?
The alert was at the temperature.
It's actually cold, brother. Damn, that shit worked that fast? Fuck. You used this machine before? Even without the shit they let you use it? They don't give a fuck. Yeah. But you know some places be like, oh, if you don't have the license.
Eat a fucking cock.
Yeah, I think so, because these pressures are pretty high. So I want you to run that conversion again.
Yes, bro. We know you could do it.
700 grams.
So what's the progress on the range?
You want drops, lowering kits, lift kits, anything, let me know. Good price.
Yeah. Yeah.
Brakes, oil changes, you know, transmissions, dip, shit like that, let
If
me
I
know.
give you my headliner, you can put a starliner in
I
it?
can do starlights.
Yeah. I'm dead ass about to pull my shit. So I might have to tap in with you.
It's gonna be $800 though. Everything. I don't care what car, $800 regardless.
He trying to tax. He trying to. How much did it take out?
Too much.
That's too much sauce. We're gonna blow the car.
AC's working this summer.
It's gonna just come out.
Well, no, because we got to open up the little vent thingy there. All right. So look, I'm going to change the vacuum pump oil on it.
Yeah,
Where's
but
that
you look
cup?
to see if there's a milkshake color, like chocolate milk, or if there's any froth, or any dirt.
What?
You're trolling.
Go ahead, hit continue.
Continue.
Hold on, not yet.
The forbidden milk.
Oh, time to have the chocolate milk, guys. Who wants some?
The forbidden chocolate
Hit
milk.
continue, go ahead.
What the?
Alright, hit stop. Keep Keep going. No, not yet. Not yet.
What the?
That's oil.
Well,
Now we
machine, right?